Slate Auto, a startup company, has just introduced their new product, a truck. This small electric pickup truck is partially funded by Amazon founder Jeff Bezos. Interestingly, the truck's base price is targeted at around $20,000 after government tax incentives for electric vehicles. Slate describes the truck as a major innovation. Slate CEO Chris Barman stated that today's standards for what is considered affordable are no longer relevant. Therefore, Slate aims to return power to consumers, especially those who have long been overlooked by the automotive industry. Slate plans to manufacture the truck in the United States, although they have yet to announce the factory location. To keep costs low, Slate offers only one model option, a small truck with 2 doors, 2 seats, and a single color, slate gray. In addition, Slate will also offer a wide range of optional accessories, ranging from small customizations and body wraps to a complete flat-pack kit with airbags that can transform the truck into a 5-seater SUV. There's also a fastback-style bed cover that gives the truck an appearance similar to an old Range Rover. All these accessories can either be installed by the user themselves or professionally installed. The truck's interior is also designed to be very simple. There is no built-in screen or dedicated infotainment system. Instead, it comes with a universal mount for smartphones or tablets, along with optional additional speakers so users can listen to music, podcasts, or anything else they like. If preferred, users can simply place a Bluetooth speaker on the dashboard. Other features include basic HVAC controls and, quite surprisingly for a new car, manual crank windows. Mechanically, everything is kept very simple as well. The truck uses a single electric motor on the rear wheels that produces 201 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, with 2 battery options available. The standard 52.7 kilowatt-hours battery pack offers a range of around 150 miles, while the optional 84.3 kilowatt-hours pack extends the range up to 240 miles. Slate claims that the truck can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 8 seconds, with a top speed of 90 miles per hour. Realistically, is there anyone who needs more performance than that? For the suspension, it uses a cost-effective and reliable McPherson strut setup in the front and a De Dion suspension in the rear, similar to what is found in the Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon. Steel wheels are standard, paired with 2 and 45/65 R17 tires. Despite its simplicity, Slate still prioritizes safety by including features like automatic emergency braking and forward collision warning as standard. Even the optional SUV package includes additional airbags for rear seat passengers. The Slate truck is relatively small. Its total length is only 174.6 inches, making it shorter than the Honda Civic hatchback and much shorter than the Ford Maverick, one of America's small pickups, which is almost 200 inches long. The truck features a 5-foot bed similar to many full-size pickups today, and an additional front trunk offering 7 cubic feet of cargo space. Its overall weight is fairly light at about 3,602 pounds. However, the 1,433-pound payload capacity and 1,000-pound towing capacity might not impress everyone.